have 8 Latin terms here, so we will try to translate it in English. So dito tayo. So exercise number 1. So number 1, we have nolom crimen. Ibig sabihin yan, no crime. So again, pag sinabi natin nolom crimen, ibig sabihin no crime. Pag sinabi naman natin number 2, delito, ibig sabihin that is felony. Number 3, so we have ignorantia facti excusat. Ibig sabihin yan, that is the mistake of facts. Pag sinabi naman natin number 4, delito continuado, that is continuing crime or tinatawag natin na continuous crime or continued crime. Pag sinabi naman natin actus reus, basically that is the guilty act. Pag sinabi naman natin delito compuesto, that is compound crime. Pag sinabi naman natin mens rea, that is the guilty mind. Then, of course, we have the malainse, ibig sabihin, that is